Hello everyone, my name is Aman Patkal. I am from MCA department at AIMS Engineering College, Bangalore. AIMS helped me to grow confidence and technical skills and helped me to improve my communication knowledge, and overall it support me for my future and career. The main impact on the AMCEC at my career is working on the projects, and overall the lectures and supporters will help me to gain my particular knowledge, by attending the webinars and conducting the technical seminars and all. Overall they will help me a lot. AMCEC, the main opportunity impact which has me particularly, they help me for the knowledging the particular knowledge, working with the projects, and they help me to attend the webinars and interviews and conferences. Being a topper, I will advise my juniors, be prepared, be consistency for the college, attend the classes regularly, and understand the concept throughout deeply, that is never give up. After graduation, I want to become a Java full stack developer, and I want to improve my communication knowledge and technical knowledge, overall my profession. I am holding first rank in VTU. I am very grateful to my parents and my AMC and my supporters.